Hey YouTube. So here is 220 215 Chevy is we are working on timing chain job here. Was acting crazy. Yeah, Captiva and we ordered some new timing kits from O'Reilly's. They have it. They're here. That is the upper side chain kit and we have another one lower side chain kit that's right here. We got our chain on. So in order for you to line up those engine, this is 2.4 engine. So you need to line up and exits. So there are little black thing. You see those? Let me find my flashlight. On that, there's a groove here, and you will see there's a there's a star on the gear, on the camshaft gear. You will see the star right there. So you should match like that. That black sign goes there on the intake. Same thing. Uh, Here we have gold. The gold go on that star. You see that's the star. There we go. And you're on our camshaft. Yeah, see the sign? It goes on the black sign with the dot. You should match it. Now we have the lower side. The lower side, I'm so sorry, I'm not good like explainer. So on the lower side you need to match it. The black sign from the chain, it goes on the first gear. Yeah, it goes there, and it's kind of dark here. Yeah, flashlight. Oh shit. Show you. Yeah, see. So you should have it lined up on top and go and on the balancer. The same thing. See, you see the black sign match with the black sign of the chain of the chain and the arrow. Yes, right there. And the tensioner is on. Now we have another tensioner. You need on the upper side. You need your tensioner. Put put it on. It's a 32 socket. So you need to take your 32 socket. Is you can see it. It's right there. It's a 32 socket. Yeah. In the socket, attach it, tight it, just tight it as it should. Yeah, so this is it. So once I got it around, I'll reach you out. I can't work with the camera on because I'm just by myself, trying just to update you. All right, thank you. Like and subscribe, please.